Hello, students. I'm quite sure that many of you are preparing for the competitive examinations like CAT, MAT, TCS NQT, Deloitte, WILP, Ignite, and many more. Well, this is the right time when I need to introduce a chapter, yeah, rather I can say one of the important segments of the competitive examinations, particularly if I'm talking about verbal ability section, and that is verbal reasoning. मुझे पता है कि कई लोगों को मन में ये डर होता है कि वर्बल रीजनिंग कैसे अप्रोच करे, व्हाट शुड बी द राइट अप्रोच, कैसे क्वेश्चन को टैकल करे इन द क्विकेस्ट पॉसिबल टाइम, हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस कैन बी सॉल्व, इसके बारे में आप लोग कंफ्यूज रहते हो. सो फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्पस टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट this particular video so that it can be beneficial for you to solve out the questions within the quickest possible time, right? लेट मी टॉक अबाउट द वर्बल रीजनिंग. आखिर ये एग्जामिनेशन में इस टाइप का वर्बल रीजनिंग का क्वेश्चन क्यों दिया जाता है? व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस? Verbal reasoning section, actually it is meant to check your understandability of the entire thing, your interpretation, your analyzing skill, and all these things. If I talk about the questions, the examinations like TCS NQT, your WILP, your CAT, Ignite, your MAT, your Deloitte, it's the most common section in which you will find a lot of questions and you need to solve the questions efficiently, accurately, with absolute precision. So today in this particular video, I'm going to show you a few examples and I will solve the questions and I will tell you that what should be the actual logic behind solving those kind of questions. तो चलिए हम लोग शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो को. कुछ क्वेश्चंस इसमें आएंगे जिसमें आपको हम बताएंगे कि इस क्वेश्चन का अप्रोच क्या होगा आंसर करने की, और व्हाई शुड आई सिलेक्ट दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑप्शन व्हिच शुड बी द करेक्ट वन. Just watch the video till the end with rapt attention because it is going to change your perception regarding the questions of verbal reasoning. And I'm quite sure at the end of the video, you will be in a better position to deal with all the questions that should come under this particular segment. So let us talk about the first question. In this question, you just go through that. Augment is to lessen and brutal is to what? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको हम ये बताए कि फर्स्ट दो वर्ड जो दिया हुआ है यहाँ ऑगमेंट और लेसन, यू नीड टू एस्टैब्लिश अ रिलेशनशिप इन बिटवीन दीज टू वर्ड्स लाइक ऑगमेंट एंड लेसन. So first thing that should come to your mind, that what is the meaning of augment? Yes, I do agree with you that vocab is very weak, weakest section in fact of yours. So you need to improve the vocabulary section. आपको जानना होगा word का meaning क्या है. Augment means increase and the right side the word is written as lessen. It means कम करना, reduce या diminish. So obviously there is a relationship between augment and lessen, antonym, opposite. The same relationship is going to be implemented in the second pair of words you have found here, that is brutal, right? So brutal is a kind of thing which is meant as savage kind of thing, मतलब बहुत ही नरक जैसा, नारकीय या जो 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 that is not going to be acceptable. So opposite word आपको ढूंढना होगा यहाँ पे, and in that case human, that is mean kind. So that should be the actual word which can fit in this particular slot. So actually verbal reasoning में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, दो वर्ड के बीच में रिलेशनशिप को एस्टैब्लिश करते हैं और सेकंड पेयर में उसी रिलेशनशिप को इंप्लीमेंट करते हैं. In that way we have got the correct answer, that is called human and it means kind. Switching to the next example, you find that benign is to arrogant. Once again, it's a very new word for you, maybe, may not be. Benign means विनम्र, जिसको हम लोग जानते हैं modest के रूप से, and the second word that is written is arrogant, जिसके मन में arrogance हो, जो बहुत highly arrogant nature के हो. तो obviously you have got to know that benign and arrogant both are antonyms, opposite words. The same relationship is to be implemented in the second pair. लॉयटर मतलब डिले करना, किसी एक्शन को डिले करना, किसी एक्शन को डिफर करना, दैट इज इक्विवेलेंट टू लॉयटर. सो इसका ऑपोजिट क्या होना चाहिए? ऑब्वियसली विदाउट हैविंग एनी काइंड ऑफ कंफ्यूजन इट शुड कम टू योर माइंड दैट इसका ऑपोजिट होना चाहिए बहुत जल्दी से किसी काम को समाप्त करना. So in that way, if I go through the options like fashion, squander, expedite and resume, you need to know that expedite means किसी चीज को speed up करना, किसी चीज को जल्दबाजी में finish up करना. So that should be the correct answer So loiter is to expedite. Option B is going to be the correct one. Without wasting time, let us switch to the next question. Here it comes. Zany is to wacky. Now what should be, maybe these two words are new for you, but let me tell you, zany means something very, creating very fun element in a very casual way, whimsical kind of mind, and wacky means the same. So both the words are synonymously related. The same relationship is going to be implemented in the next pair, that is called affluent. Affluent matlab somebody who spends money, somebody who is very rich, somebody जिनके पास बहुत सारा पैसा हो, जो बहुत धनी हो, उनको हम लोग affluent बोलते हैं. तो obviously we need to search for a word that is the synonym of affluent. Going through the options, C's means stop. Opulent, yes, this is the word what we are searching for. Affluent is equivalent to opulent. That should be the correct answer. But let us go through the rest of the options, like dogmatic. If somebody is called dogmatic, मतलब बहुत rigid nature के हैं वो. और pauper means गरीब, poor. So correct answer option C. So affluent is to opulent. Moving to next questions. Next question, you find that knave is to gentleman. Now what is the meaning of knave? knave मतलब, so knave मतलब होता है very shaitan kind of person. मतलब he is not a gentleman actually. Knave is a kind of person who has some mischievous element, जो थोड़ा शैतानी करते हैं. Scoundrel या rascal, those words can be fitting with the word like knave. So opposite word is gentleman. Obviously you got to know that these two words are antonym. The relationship is antonym, means opposite. The same thing is going to be implemented in the next pair of words, that is redundant and is to what? You need to find out the next word that is to be fitting in this particular slot. Going through the option, rusticate, unwilling, essential and upbraid. Upbraid मतलब होता है डांटना, that is called scold. Unwilling, somebody who is not interested, who is not willing. Now essential, that is very much necessary. Redundant means something which is unnecessary. So exactly the opposite word is given over there in option B, that is essential. It cannot be ignored, it is important, it is significant. So the correct answer will be essential. And rusticate means somebody जिसको भगा दिया जाता है, जिसको बहिष्कार किया जाता है. So it doesn't have any relevance with this particular slot. Now the correct answer will be essential. Moving to the next question. Hoist is to lower. Now hoisting the flag, it's a very familiar term. अगर हम लोग 15 अगस्त की बात करें या 26 जनवरी की बात करें, उस समय हम लोग फ्लैग को होइस्ट करते हैं. It's uplift. Now second word, it is written lower. So exactly opposite. Now inflexible. Inflexible मतलब ऐसा बंदा जो flexible nature के नहीं होते हैं. और यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, going through the options you will find that nag, that means annoy, angry, that means गुस्सा वाले, resilient, very resilient मतलब very much rigid, and fate, that is luck. So correct answer will be resilient. Now let us move to the next question. Haughty is to arrogant. दोनों वर्ड के बीच में क्या रिलेशनशिप है? The word which is known as arrogant, it's a very familiar word. Most of you know this particular word, but maybe you don't have any knowledge regarding the word like haughty. Haughty also means arrogant. So both the words are synonymously related. Now fritter means what? So you need to find a word which is the synonym of fritter. Fritter का मतलब क्या होता है? चलिए हम लोग जान लेते हैं. Fritter मतलब मनी को या टाइम को यूजलेसली स्पेंड करना, वेस्ट करना. So if I go through the option, fashion, it doesn't make any sense. Squander, yes, this is the word what I am searching for. Squander means fritter, so it should be the correct answer. Going through the rest of the options, reduce मतलब कम करना और resume मतलब दोबारा सर्विस को शुरू करना. So correct answer will be squander. Next question, maudlin is to sentimental. Yes, this is the word you should know, maudlin. This word has appeared number of times in most of the competitive examination. It means sentimental. So once again we are establishing the relationship, that is synonym. एक दूसरे का synonymous word है. So paucity means what? If somebody is saying that I have paucity of funds, इसका मतलब मेरे फंड की कमियां हैं. We indicate lacking or deficiency for the word like paucity. So you need to find out that kind of word which will just fit in this particular slot. So going through the option, if you go through the option like D, you find the word is written as dirt. Yes, exactly. Dearth is the synonym of paucity. So your correct answer will be option D. So, my dear students, for the last 10 minutes or 15 minutes, whatever it has been, I was trying to give you some idea that in which way you should proceed these kind of questions which are based on verbal reasoning. And I'm quite sure that at the end of this video, you have got some clear-cut idea that what should be the actual approach. And in the most of the competitive examination, you can find many questions based on this particular chapter. This time, I am really confident that you can deal with all these questions at ease. In the coming videos, I'll be presenting more questions related to this particular chapter. That's all from my end today. Thank you so much.